little windy out. I'm out, I'm getting some exercise. That's 30 right there. 40 is on around the corner, around that corner. 40, Interstate 40. This is 30. There's a Coca-Cola plant right there. I stepped out in the woods a while ago and mosquitoes are still out. It was like, there's the trucks right over there. It was 63 degrees when I left. It's getting colder. We're supposed to have our first frost Monday. I'll be out. Okay, I've been riding about 5 miles. I got to ride back too. We're going in. That's the steel gate. It don't say no trespassing. It's a city park. They just don't want vehicles back there. I call it Fruhof. The trucking company used to be right here. Fruhof. There's actually the old way out of the city is back here, but I've never found it. There's supposed to be a bridge, and where there's a bridge, you know, there's a dump, so I've never been able to find it, but I'm still looking. We're just exercising and exploring today. Let's ride for a little bit. I'm going to cover the speaker up. We're still getting exercise, warm-ups. Whoa, 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 whoa. Water's draining really good. I could get up pretty high. We've had some good rains here lately. This is where the deer like to hide out. City park, there's no hunting. We're in the city limits, so you can't hunt here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That log scared me. I thought it was a snake. It scared me. I don't know. I guess the snakes are still out. Haven't seen any yet. It's right around the corner. I'm going to cover the microphone up. I don't see nothing. Hey, what's that? I see something way down there. I don't think it's moving. Okay, I don't see nothing. I'll get back with you. Oh, look at that big sucker. You're gonna get it. Oh, okay. That's where I rode my bike. Right there. There's a deer track. I'm not give out. I'm getting exercise. I'm about 8 miles from the house. So another one over to the creek if I can make it. Okay, that's the power line or something. I'm glad y'all don't smell what I smell. I'm standing on a 10-foot tall toilet. Here's the other way. There's a crossing down there, but the south, I'm looking north right here. The south exit out of the city, I guess it's a wagon trail, but there was 2 bridges back here. I've never found them. I think that may have floated up from them. It's part of a bridge, but I know the water's been on, probably been up over this 10 foot. I bet the water's been 10 foot high right here before. That's the way in. The creek is right back there. I'm not going in the woods. Right back there. Let me cool off. I can't believe it's so hot out. Well, the other day on the way home, my bicycle was crying, and you could hear it and all this other stuff. So I got it all taken apart. The brakes, I didn't even have brakes, and I found out they were the spring was sprung. Look at it now. Works somewhat. Comes back. Okay, got all the. I'm just using this liquid wrench. Hope that works. It won't last forever, but it does work. Oh, and these were a little rusted. These little pins right here. So I took some steel wool, cleaned them off. Okay, hopefully by the time it gets cold, and it's supposed to have our first freeze, like I said, Monday, this coming Monday. First frost. I don't know if it'll freeze. Alright. I'm using disc brake bearing grease. If it'll focus. There it is. Bearing grease. Got the bearings out of the back rim. Still got some grease in there, but I'm gonna clean it out and put new grease in it. Okay, the bearing grease holds the bearings in place while you put the cap on it. I gotta clean that. Okay. Okay, check this out. This thing hardly even spun a while ago. And here's the bearings. Much better. Gotta be a little loose, but not real loose. Okay, next. Let's listen. Sound good. Sounds good to me. Okay.